Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add PayPal to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the new post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add PayPal to Blogger. So adding a PayPal button to your Blogger site is a great way to accept payments or donations. So first of all, go to PayPal and create your account. Click on Merchant Services, then click on Create Payment Buttons when you're of course in the PayPal website. And then you need to go and fill in the necessary details like price, currency, and everything, and click Create Button to generate the HTML code for your button. Then go to Blogger, click on Layout, then go and add a gadget. Choose the HTML and JavaScript. Then paste the code here and click Save. And that'll be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.